The B-segment subcompact sedan space is getting highly competitive, with both manufacturing giants offering refreshed formulas that prioritize fuel economy without sacrificing commuter comfort. The 2026 Honda City HEV and the 2026 Toyota-Vios-Hybrid, known in some regions as the Vios ATIV HEV, offer distinct approaches to subcompact hybrid sedans. Powertrain philosophy and performance. While both are labeled hybrids, the driving dynamics and mechanical layouts are fundamentally different. Honda City HEV, intelligent multi-mode drive. Honda uses a dual-motor setup where the electric motor does the heavy lifting. The 1.5L Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine primarily acts as a generator to feed the battery or electric motor. Electric motor output, 108 HP/253 Nm of torque. The drive feel. Because of the instant 253 Nm of torque right from a standstill, the City HEV feels punchy, energetic, and behaves much like a pure electric vehicle in city traffic. When you hit highway speeds, a lock-up clutch engages the petrol engine directly to the wheels for optimal cruising efficiency. Toyota-Vios-Hybrid, Series Parallel HEV. Toyota implements a new parallel hybrid setup adapted for its Daihatsu New Global Architecture (DNGA) platform, pairing a 1.5L 4-cylinder engine, 90 HP/121 Nm, with a front-mounted electric motor, 79 HP/141 Nm. Combined system output, 111 HP. The drive feel. The Vios focuses entirely on progressive, linear delivery and extreme efficiency. The integration between the engine and the electric motor is seamless, giving you a smooth, traditional, and incredibly quiet urban driving experience. The verdict on power: the Honda City HEV wins on performance. Its massive electric torque makes uphill climbing and quick overtaking effortless compared to the more conservative, linear pull of the Vios-Hybrid. Fuel efficiency and real-world range. This is where both cars absolute shine, turning daily gridlock into a minor wallet inconvenience. Toyota Vios-Hybrid. Real-world testing shows an incredible 60% boost in efficiency over its traditional petrol counterpart, thanks to its lightweight chassis and aggressive energy. Regeneration. It stretches its small 36-liter tank across an estimated 800 kilometers of range, yielding roughly 4.0 to 4.5 L/100 kilometers depending on traffic. Honda City HEV. Honda's EHEV setup is legendary for efficiency, easily matching or sometimes beating the Vios on long highway stints, averaging an outstanding 3.6 L/100 kilometers under ideal testing parameters. Interior, technology, and cabin comfort. Both cars have received cabin overhauls, but they target slightly different priorities. The Vios-Hybrid feels more modern on the inside. It treats the driver to an electric parking brake, APB, with auto hold, a larger 10.1-inch screen, ambient lighting accents, a built-in air purifier, and a 360-degree panoramic view monitor. The City, on the other hand, fights back with slightly better rear seat thigh support and a more traditional, ergonomically sound dashboard layout. Safety suites. Honda Sensing vs Toyota Safety Sense. Both manufacturers pack their flagship subcompacts with top-tier driver assist technologies. Honda Sensing includes adaptive cruise control, ACC, with low-speed follow, collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and road departure mitigation. Toyota Safety Sense, TSS, counters with front departure alert, lane departure prevention, pedal misappropriation control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Both systems are exceptional for daily highway commutes, though Honda's adaptive cruise control tracking tends to feel slightly more natural in heavy stop-and-go traffic. The ultimate decision: which is better? Choose the Honda City HEV if you actually enjoy driving and want a car that feels quick and athletic. The instant 253 Nm of torque makes it the enthusiast's choice in the hybrid commuter segment, and its highway efficiency is practically unmatched. Choose the Toyota Vios-Hybrid if you prioritize maximum tech for your dollar, ride comfort, and seamless urban ownership. With 4-wheel disc brakes, a massive infotainment screen, a highly refined NVH, noise, vibration, harshness, package, and a massive 800 kilometers real-world cruising range, it is arguably the smarter, more comfortable daily appliance for heavy city traffic. Deep dive, chassis architecture and handling mechanics. A hybrid system adds mass, and how a manufacturer balances that extra weight tells you everything about how the car handles daily stress. Honda City EHEV, the City is longer and wider, providing a traditional big car sedan silhouette. Because Honda places its hybrid intelligent power unit, IPU, under the boot floor, it features a slightly more front-to-rear balanced weight distribution, keeping the car incredibly flat during sudden mid-speed direction changes. Toyota-Vios-Hybrid, built on the modern DNGA, Daihatsu new global architecture, platform, the Vios utilizes a fastback silhouette with a 20mm longer wheelbase despite having a shorter overall length. By stretching the wheels out to the absolute corners, Toyota has optimized straight-line tracking and highway stability. Suspension tuning and braking. The Vios Hybrid comes equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes standard, paired with a lightweight suspension layout, McPherson strut front, torsion beam rear, wrapped around larger 16 or 17-inch alloy options. It feels light on its feet and isolates severe road imperfections exceptionally well. The City EHEV utilizes solid rear discs explicitly on its premium strong hybrid grades to handle regenerative braking safely. Its suspension setup is tuned tighter than the Toyota, bias optimized for structural stiffness. The steering feels direct, weighted, and communicative, making the City much more confident on twisty back roads. Noise, vibration, and harshness controls. Hybrid vehicles are uniquely difficult to insulate. Because the electric motor can run silently, any tire roar, wind hiss, or rough engine startup is immediately amplified. Honda's approach. Honda applies active noise cancellation, ANC, hardware inside the EHEV cabin. Microphones pick up low-frequency booming noises, like engine drone or tire thrum, and emit inverted sound waves through the audio speakers to cancel them out. It works beautifully on coarse highway tarmac. Toyota's approach. Toyota focused on acoustic glass barriers, extensive foam injection inside the DNGA pillars, and a dedicated, ultra-isolated firewall insulator. When the 1.5 L2 NR-VEX combustion engine kicks in to help the electric motor, it does so with a faint, distant hum rather than an aggressive vibration.